look at what I just got. It's the Cute X1 High Chi mini massage gun. They sent it to me to review. My name is Dr. Lou. I'm a chiropractor in Portland, Maine. Let's do a complete walkthrough of this tiny little bad boy. All right, we're gonna open this puppy up. It's all sealed and ready to rock and roll. Let me find my little knife here. So let me give you a little bit of information about this thing. It has 5 adjustable levels. It's tiny, 12 centimeters long. It has a weight of about 1/2 pound. At its highest speed, it goes up to about 3,000 RPMs. People are already calling me to ask questions. It looks like it's going to be really cool. The retail price is $90, but it's on sale for $59, it looks like right now. Just so you know, I'm not being paid by this company. They just offered to send me one of these to review, and I said, sure, be happy to, because as you know, I've reviewed several of these by different companies in the past. Okay, comes in a nice little box, looks like that. We've got a user manual right here, nicely packed little bag. Oh wow, this thing really is tiny. Oh my goodness. All right, here it is. My hands are not terribly big. This is a small massage gun. And I'll tell you what, it feels pretty solid right off the bat. So it has a little charger in here, USB charger with the USB-C connector that goes into the back of the unit right here. It's so small that it comes with a little, little strap in case you drop it. You don't want it to fall on the ground. The attachments, for which there are 4, fit right in the front like most of these, but they are especially small. This really is a mini massage gun. We've got one of these guys here, again, to sort of hit both sides of the spine, also very small. There's a flat piece. These I really love. They're smooth, flat, and firm, but they really provide a nice massage when you use those. Other details. They don't talk about battery life online, but I suspect that it probably lasts a long time. They come in multiple colors. And again, it feels pretty light. It feels really dense, like compact and tight, which is great. It's got a little vent up here, and the power button is right here on the bottom. I'm really curious to see what happens when we turn this guy on. I'm going to put this here. Now, again, what do I think we can expect from this? Well, I think we can expect that it does a pretty good job. I mean, it feels like it's going to do a good job before I even turn it on. It seems to be very well made, better made than some of the other ones that I've used. And let's see here. And its rated power is 25 watts for those of you who care. I think it's going to do a really good job. I'm curious about how much it's going to feel like it's vibrating the hand. I'm curious about how noisy it's going to be. And ultimately, I'll be curious about whether or not the battery holds a charge for very long. This is probably not, but I'm not sure yet, the best tool for an environment like mine. In an office, using it all day on multiple dozens of people a day, this may not be the best tool for that purpose, but it certainly looks like it would be amazing to have with you if you were traveling, if you needed to carry this around, if you were playing, I don't know, in a soccer league or something late at night and you wanted to take something like this for a cool down afterwards. Looks like it'd be perfect. clearly does not take up any space at all. I mean, to give you perspective, I mean, that's a thin highlighter. I mean, this thing is really tiny. Really tiny. All right, let's turn it on, see what happens. I'm holding the button, and there it goes. It's pretty quiet. It's got some power to it. I like this thing. I can bottom it out, and then it starts back up again. That was a little weird. So, you know, if you push too hard, like all of them, it will bottom out. But it feels pretty good. And I will say this too. It's not vibrating my head and scrambling my brain like a lot of these tend to do. It's gentle. It feels good. It feels really good. It's called the Cute X1 Super Mini Massage Gun. It is super, it's mini, and it is actually kind of cute too. Speed number 2. Speed number 3. 4th speed, and then top speed. Still very quiet. The thing is moving. Now my brains are getting scrambled on the top speed. Yeah, it's blurring my vision too, but only because it's shaking my head a lot. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. I mean, you have to realize that this is not going to only be used up in and around the neck and head. You know, if you were using this on your glutes or on your leg or on your shoulders, down between your shoulder blades, if you had some help and somebody was getting in there with this thing, that would be amazing. I'm impressed by it, I have to say. I mean, I've played around with a handful of these mini massage tools, but at first glance, this one may be my favorite. It's really clearly made well. Now, the test will be, how does it stand up over time with a lot of use? Because I'm going to put it through the paces here at the office. Here's what the little bag looks like when I take it out of the other bag that it was in. And I'm guessing that it will all fit right in there. I mean, this is barely bigger than a deck of cards. I'm going to put that in there. I think it will hold most everything in this little pouch. Let's see. I'm going to put the cable in there. And I'm going to put all the attachments in. There's this funny little attachment here too. Yeah, so they all fit just like that. It's small. Fits right in the palm of your hand. It looks really nice. So I'll be curious to see how it stands up against the test of time. I'll be curious to see how the battery life is over time, how quickly it charges, all of those things that I will very likely post down below once I've had an opportunity to really give it a good run. Again, this is the HE Mini Massage, Super Mini Massage Gun, Cute XL, or Cute X1, I'm sorry. And again, at first glance, I think it looks pretty good. I'm recommending this as of right now. Stay tuned for more information later. This is Dr. Lou Jacobs at Jacobs Chiropractic Acupuncture Center in Portland, Maine, with an unboxing and review of the Cute X1 by HE. I'd like to also mention that the packaging on this product is really, really nice. Much higher quality than some of the other ones that I've seen. The casing on the inside is really, really nice. It holds everything securely, so it ought to be shipped really, really safely. It reminds me a bit more of an Apple product than any of the other ones that I've seen. It's a really nice little box. So if you were giving this as a gift, let me just see here. If you were giving this as a gift, I think that it would be a pretty nice unboxing for the recipient as well. It's just very tightly done. And I like the way that it appears to be a high quality product right from the get-go. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.